Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a Mario surprise fold. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we want to fold our paper in half. So I'm just going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to fold it in half like this. Now I'm going to turn this and I'm going to just fold down this flap to the fold. So I'm going to turn it like this and I'm just going to fold it down just a little bit, just like this. Now, to make our little Mario surprise fold, we want to start off by drawing Mario up here. Now, to draw Mario, we're going to make it look like he's kind of like jumping. So, to start off with this, we want to begin with his nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve around right here for his nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up, and I'm going to put a couple little bumps on here for his mustache. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up to here for his chin. And then right here, I'm going to add a little circle for his ear. Right in here, I want to add a little line for his mouth. And then we're going to add a little curved line up here. I'm going to start right here by drawing a little line that just kind of goes down for his hat. And I'm going to draw another line that's going to come around here. It's going to touch that and go right to his ear. I'm going to add a little dot right here for an eye. And then I'm going to add another kind of tall little oval shape for the other eye. And then a little line that comes down that I'm going to color in for his hat. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down to here. And I'm going to make another little bump here for the rest of his hat. And I'm going to put a small circle right there. Now his body is going to be pretty small, about as small as his head. So I'm going to start here and draw a little curved line like this. You want to draw a line that's going to go out, it's going to come down and then in for his little boot. And then just put a little line on here. Over here, I'm going to add a small little oval. And I'm going to add another little line that goes around. It's going to come up and go right to here with a little line down for his other boot. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that curves out. And then another one that curves out to here. I'm going to add another little oval to kind of start his glove. And then you want to add a curved line here, a little one like this, and then a big curved line around here for his hand. And I want to add a little curved line down for the rest of his body. And I'm going to put two little dots on his glove. We're going to put the other arm up here. So all you want to do is draw a line that goes up and then over towards his nose. A little line that curves around for the start of his glove. And this one, all you want to do is make a little line that curves around. And then a little line right in here for his thumb. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw a curved line to start his overalls. And a little square shape like this. Then I'm going to add two circles for the buttons on his overalls. And I want to put a curved line in here for his ear. And for his hair, a little line that goes down and has a little bump on it that comes up. So there's our little Mario. Now, underneath here on this part, we want to make it look like he is getting ready to jump over one of the little pipes. So I want to make the pipe about as wide as him. So I'm just going to start really close to that fold, and I'm going to make a nice straight line across. And I'm actually going to draw this again just right up here as close as I can to the line. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and I'm going to make another little line that goes down here. And then I want to draw the line straight across and connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down and then another little line down for the pipe. Next, I'm going to open this up, and then this is where I'm going to make the piranha plant. Now, when I draw the piranha plant, I want to make sure that I don't touch anything up here. So I want to make sure that I draw the piranha plant down here. So to start off with this, I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a nice line, and I'm going to go up just to right about where that fold is. And then I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space right about there. Now I want to make the leaf here. So starting here, we're going to make a curved line. And I'm going to add a few little curved lines right here. And then I want to do the same thing here, add a curved line. And then add a few more little curved lines here. Now to make my piranha plant, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a big smiley face. And then right here, I'm going to draw like a big V shape. I'm going to curve this around, and it's going to come down again. And then it's going to go up and curve around to here. And of course, we want to add those sharp teeth in here. So I'm going to put 3 teeth on each side. And then I'm going to add the big spots in here. So I'm going to put one there, one right here, a spot over here, and then I'll put one more big one right there. Now, when you close this up, you have Mario getting ready to jump over one of the pipes, and when you open it up, you have him getting ready to dodge the piranha plant. And there you go. There is your Mario surprise fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.